What's up, everyone? So I've been testing Philips dual basket air fryers, and if you cook for a family or you just hate cooking in rounds, this category is a game changer. Philips' big promise here is simple: 2 baskets, 2 foods, and both finish at the same time with a sync feature, so your chicken isn't waiting on your fries. Today, I'm reviewing Philips dual basket air fryers, from the 3000 series to the steam-equipped 5000 series, and the space-saving stacked design on the 4000 series, because cooking 2 foods at once is the whole reason most of us want an upgrade. The main idea: dual basket cooking. The NA350/00 is a 2 drawers, 2 sizes setup. One larger drawer for mains and one smaller drawer for sides, snacks. And the whole point is balancing a meal in one session. Philips also leans heavily on sync-style timing, so both baskets complete together, plus a copy-duplicate idea so you can mirror settings across baskets when you're cooking the same thing. In real use, that means I'll do something like wings in the big basket and vegetables in the small basket, and I'm not running back and forth resetting timers. NA350/00, 3000 series, what it's like. Let's start with the Philips 3000 series dual basket air fryer NA350/00, because this feels like the most straightforward dual drawer model. Philips positions it as family-sized and even calls out that the large basket can handle up to a 1.5 kilogram chicken in just one basket, which is a pretty big claim for weeknight cooking. On the control side, it uses a touchscreen with preset programs for foods like fresh fries, frozen fries, chicken, meat, veggies, fish, cake, and reheat, so it's clearly built for convenience rather than manual tinkering every time. It also promotes energy savings versus a standard oven. It states it uses less than 70% of the energy of a standard oven, which matters if you air fry often. My experience with this style of model is that it's best when you cook 2-part meals a lot, protein plus side, because the 2 different drawer sizes naturally match how meals are portioned at home. Dual basket plus steam? The big upgrade. Now the Philips 5000 series dual basket air fryer NA555/09 is where things get interesting, because this is Philips' first dual basket with steam. It's still a 9-liter total machine, but it's split into a 6-liter drawer for mains and a 3-liter drawer for sides or snacks. And Philips even lists example capacities like up to 1,100 grams of fries and a whole 1.2 kilogram chicken in the large basket. What steam adds, at least in my kitchen, is moisture control. Philips claims the reheat function also uses steam to preserve moisture, good for rice or lasagna that can dry out. And that's exactly the kind of leftover problem a normal air fryer doesn't always solve. A few standout features I actually noticed in daily use: air steam technology is meant to steam foods without making them soggy, and Philips says it can preserve up to 87% more nutrient content than boiling. There's an automatic steam clean function intended to make it easier to remove fat buildup from the large basket and around the heating tube. Philips also talks about using Rapid Air Plus steam, so you get crisp plus tender results rather than just drying the surface. If someone already owns a basic air fryer, this NA555/09 feels like the most new capability, because steam changes how vegetables, dumplings, fish, and reheats come out. Next up, the Philips Air Fryer 4000 series stacked dual basket NA460/09 is for anyone who wants dual cooking but doesn't want a super wide appliance. Philips' headline is double the meals, 45% less space, and the core design difference is that the baskets are stacked vertically instead of side by side. It's a 10-liter model with 2 5-liter baskets, and Philips says it can handle up to 1.4 kilograms of chips, 2 kilograms of veg, or 24 chicken drumsticks, which is clearly aimed at big households. You also get view windows so you can check food without pulling drawers out, plus a time to shake alert, and a sync function so both baskets can finish together. One more detail that matters long-term. Philips says this model uses a PFAS-free non-stick coating designed to be durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. If countertop space is tight, the stacked NA460/09 is the one I'd look at first because width is often the limiting factor in smaller kitchens. HomeID app and day-to-day usability. Across these models, Philips repeatedly pushes the HomeID app for personalized recipes and step-by-step guidance with settings tailored to your device. In practice, this is helpful when you're new to dual baskets because the hardest part isn't air frying, it's coordinating two foods with different cook times, especially if one basket is a snack and the other is the main. Pros, cons, and who should buy which. Here's how I'd sum it up after using the dual basket format. NA350/00. Best if you want the simplest dual drawer workflow, presets on a touchscreen, and easy sync the finish cooking for everyday meals. NA555/09. Best if you want dual baskets plus steam for better reheating and more delicate foods with a dedicated steam clean feature. NA460/09. Best if you need big capacity but less countertop width, and you like the idea of stacked baskets with viewing windows and shake alerts. My biggest con with dual basket air fryers in general is that you'll sometimes still need to think about food placement and batch sizes because two baskets doesn't automatically mean unlimited space, but the convenience jump from single basket is real. Outro. If you want, drop a comment with what you cook most: chicken and fries, fish and veggies, frozen snacks, meal prep, and that'll make it easier to say whether NA350, NA555, NA460/09, or another Philips model makes the most sense for you.